May Valentine. Iris May Valentine because 9th February is very near to 14th February and Valentine's theme will be a perfect theme for our freshers party. Because we all know we start the month of February as a day of teddy, promise day, chocolate day, etc. And at last Valentine's Day. So this Valentine's Day, we are turning Iris May Valentine. So Iris May Valentine is a Latin term which signifies, would you be my Valentine? Who is this Valentine? Valentine was a lover? No, never. Valentine was not a lover. Then who he was? He was a popular saint of Rome when Claudius II was the 4th emperor of Rome. Claudius was a very rough and rude kind of person, whereas Valentine was a very soft and kind-hearted person. He believed in liberty, in freedom, and also in love. When Claudius believed that women should be treated as slaves, women who were the most powerful creature in our world were treated as slaves in that period. Claudius II also ordered his soldiers not to marry any woman because marrying a woman will make them mentally weak. So he restricted marriages in between men and women. At that time, Valentine was very much furious. He was very much annoyed to know that how can a person restrict a marriage. At that time, Valentine secretly spread marriage between men and women. And when it was revealed to the Claudius II, he was very much furious and he brought Valentine in imprisonment. At the time of imprisonment, Valentine was brutally tortured by Claudius II. Now, this Valentine was executed on 14th of February. Yes, on 14th of February, Valentine was executed. Before execution, a young girl who was a daughter of Jeddah was treated by Valentine, and after treating that young girl, the young girl fell in love with Valentine. But Valentine was not in the position to accept her love because he was a saint. Moreover, he was to be executed on 14th of February, that is on Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day is a day of pain, a day of sorrow, a day of negativity, we can say, in the history of the world. And the day of love is celebrated nowadays, which was not a day of love in the history. This is about a brief history of Valentine's Day. Now, I want to tell you that after the Valentine's Day, on 14th February, 200 to 300 years after that, that is 369 AD, after 200 to 300 years after the death of Valentine, the day was celebrated as the day of Lupercalia. Lupercalia is a day of perfect fertilization, or we can say a perfect day of sacred marriage. 14th February is celebrated as a perfect day of sacred marriage and day of Lupercalia. It was celebrated all over the European countries and now the present world too. And India is also celebrated this kind of day as a day of love. So it is our theme of Valentine's Day. Valentine was much more influenced by the Indian civilization. The marriage came at first to Indian civilization. Indian civilization firstly introduced the term marriage, and it was profound, it was celebrated all over the world. And at last, I want to say, we all know there is a beautiful flower, rose. In rose, the petals are soft, we can feel the kindness of the petals, but the thorns are hard. We can feel the pain of the thorn of the beautiful flower rose. So It is a universal truth, or we can compare with a universal truth that if there is love, there is a pain, and it cannot be avoided. Now I want to thank all the students of second year who have given a lot of effort to make our program a successful. And also I want to tell something to the juniors. All the juniors, this is